Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. I want to thank you for stopping to watch this brief update on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Today is Sunday, August 26, 2018, and I'm here to give you a quick update of how it's been going for me with a company called Bitcoin Trading World. As you can see my screen, um, this is the company right here. I'm not going to give you a presentation because I already have a presentation done for you in within my YouTube videos. And if you wish, you can ask for it. Comment or leave your email, and I'll send it to you if you wish. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm with a company called Bitcoin Trading World. I have invested with them, and today is my 45th day. So today, as of today, I have 3.25 BTC, which is equal to $21,752.31 USD at the current Bitcoin rate of $6,687.53 per Bitcoin. Okay, and here I can show you my mining history. As you can see, I started with 2.38 Bitcoin 45 days ago. I invested in July 13th of 2018, July 13th, and today's the 26th. Okay, so today at around maybe 3 o'clock, I will have gained another 0.02 Bitcoin, which is what I kind of been averaging. So this 3.25 is what I made yesterday. It's without counting today's earnings, right? So so I've been gaining on average 0.02 Bitcoin. So let's see how much Bitcoin I've earned in 45 days exactly. So let's type in 3.25, backspace, minus 2.38 equals. So I've gained 0.87 Bitcoin. Okay, and yes, that should be accurate. I would like to open a tab here in Google and go to currency converter. I'll just type it up here. Oh, I want converter. Yeah, that one. And here we go. Let's look for Bitcoin. Oh, there it is. So I've gained 0.87. Wow. Okay, so 0.87 Bitcoin. So that is equal to 5,818 US dollars and 58 cents. Yeah, so almost $6,000 in 45 days, which is really not bad. It's a pretty decent gain if you think about it. So when I first came in, Bitcoin was worth about roughly around 6,100, 6,200, I believe. My Bitcoin was only worth about 14 grand, but with these type of programs with the mining, you don't really concentrate too much on the price of Bitcoin, but you're concentrating on your gain of Bitcoin per day. So, let me go back then. So I've been averaging about 0.20 Bitcoin per day. So that's $133.76 per day, and that's at the current price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was about $8,400 a few weeks ago, that was like 160 something, 170 per day. So the price of Bitcoin does influence the value that your account holds. But Bitcoin fluctuates. It's a little volatile, as we all know. But it's really great to know that I have an account that's growing and it's mining. It's gaining every day. It's mining. It's a little different from trading. There's a lot less risk. But I really love the fact that it's growing, surely, but slowly but surely. And this 0.87 difference that I showed you in my calculator, that $5,000 is not bad, you know, to gain in an investment, you know, almost $6,000. You know, that's really not bad. And as of as of 3 o'clock today, let me add 5818 plus 133 is equal to, okay, so by 3 o'clock I should be at 5,951. So, you know, yeah, $6,000 in 45 days is not bad. It's a really great company. They have different mining contracts. Let me see if I can take you to the, there they are. Okay, so these are the different mining contracts that they have. I'm just showing you this so you can get like a refresh. I have a full presentation that you can check out. So with BTC mining, I opted for the 90-day BTC mining, and I did that one alone. I didn't choose to go into these other coins, but I will, once my 90 days are up, I'm going to be spreading out my investment through other coins as for the sole purpose of increasing my gain per month. If I can spread it out in a way where I gain 50% each month, I'll be more than happy with that. So, and as you can see, Litecoin by itself, if you invest all your money in Litecoin in 90 days, or every month, you'd have a 50% gain. So it's not bad. So here we go. I wanted to point out that this 25% for Bitcoin has now been increased to 30% monthly, okay? 30% monthly. So yeah, it's no longer just 25, it's now 30% monthly, which is freaking awesome. So I'm really happy about that. And we can actually see that here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is an update for those of you who are interested. Due to the high demand for our current promotion, we opened an additional 50 promo slots for 30-day mining programs with a minimum investment of $5,000 US. All deposits for this promotion will also receive 100% bonus. We are offering BTC, ETH, and LTC 30-day mining programs with 30 and 40 and 50% return on investment. Minimum investment to enter the program is $5,000 USD, and the maximum is 100 grand. So as a form of payment for the new slots, we accept funding with BTC, ETH, LTC, and USD. The promotion will be ongoing until the end of August. For more information, please contact our live chat agent for your account or your account manager. Bitcoin Trading World team. All right, great. So, okay. So I know it's hard to see, but here at the bottom, that's a 30 behind all these white letters. There's a green 30% right behind it, and this is 40% here. So yeah, this is on the website, and you know you can do the live chat if you wish. That's really about it, guys. I just wanted to give you an update about, you know, on how things are going for me with Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin Trading World, and these are all the days that I've been gaining. You know, I don't do these updates quite often, but you know, I hope you like what you've seen and what you've heard, and it motivates you. So yeah, you know, I went from 2.38 45 days ago now to 3.25 BTC, which I'm really happy with. So if you wanna join me, if you wanna talk some more, if you want more information, please leave a comment anywhere around this video, and you know, just inbox me, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to sit down and talk to you about this great company and other opportunities that are on the horizon. And listen, have a great day, have a great weekend, enjoy the rest of your summer. Hopefully we'll talk again before the end of the summer, okay? So listen, take care, God bless. Again, thank you for stopping. To all my subscribers, Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. And if I'm gonna try to put this video up on YouTube, or should be already on YouTube if you're watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I put up a new video. You know, I really appreciate you stopping by, and I'm grateful. I try to stay as humble as possible. I'm a real person. I'm not, you know, I'm not rich. I'm not this huge marketing guy. I'm just a regular guy who found something that actually works. And finally, after 20 years of, you know, trying things online and different network marketing businesses and offline and online businesses, finally, I think this cryptocurrency world has opened the doors for people to succeed. And remember, you don't have to recruit. You don't have to. You can make money on your own. I don't have any recruits. I have 2 people signed up under me, and they haven't, you know, really done anything. But, you know, I'm happy because I'm making money without having to bring people in. That's the power of these type of programs and Bitcoin mining, and BTW is just the channel, the means to get it done. And these people are phenomenal. So the customer service is amazing. I love it. So listen, take care. God bless. Like I said, if you want to learn more, just please contact me at your earliest convenience. Leave me a message, or, you know, just reach out to me. So take care and God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.